Hello mathematicians, it's me, Teacher Nova. In today's video, we're gonna talk about quadratic equation. So, una, ano nga ba ang quadratic? So, ang quadratic is derived from the Latin word quadratus, that means squared. The quadratic equation is a second-degree polynomial equation. It is an equation that can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So why it is a is not equal to 0? So as I mentioned earlier, quadratic equation is a second-degree polynomial equation. And in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is also known as the standard form of a quadratic equation. So here is the standard form of a quadratic equation, where x squared is a quadratic term, bx is the linear term, c is the constant term, a is the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term, b is the numerical coefficient of the linear term. So, meron tayong example. Determine whether the equation of if quadratic or not. If it is a quadratic equation, identify the values of a, b, and c. So, bago natin gawin, ipapaalala ko lang na ang ating quadratic equation should be a second-degree polynomial. So, here is the first example. We have 2x squared plus 6x is equal to 5. So, as you notice, the given example is not in the form of a standard. So, first that we're going to do is transpose 5 to the left side of the equation. So, yung ating positive 5 magiging negative 5. So, now, from the original equation, nandito na siya, naging standard form. So, meron tayong quadratic term, meron tayong linear term, at meron din tayong constant term. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. So, let's identify the values of a, b, c. Our a is 2, positive 2. b is positive 6 or 6. c is negative 5. So, negative 5. Next example, we have 4x raised to 4 minus 7x squared is equal to 0. So, as you notice, the degree of the given equation is 4. Thus, it is not a quadratic equation. Next example, we have x times 4x squared is equal to negative 12x squared plus 4x minus 52. So, simplify the left side of the equation. And ating gagawin is multiply. So, yan. X times 4x squared is 4x cubed. And copy all the expressions sa right side. Then, i-transpose lahat ito sa left side and equate with 0. Yan. So, equate with 0. So, from negative 12x squared, na i-transpose siya sa left side, naging positive. Dito naman, yung positive 4x, naging negative 4x. yung negative 52 naging positive 52, then equals 0. So, if the given equation is a quadratic, so kung napapansin, yung ating degree is 3, thus the given equation is not quadratic equation. Next, we have negative x times negative 6x plus 1 plus 9 is equal to negative 6. So, the given equation is not in the standard form. So, ang gagawin natin is i-arrange muna natin into standard form. So, first is get the product. Ito. So, negative x times negative 6x plus 1 is 6x squared. So, negative times negative, naging positive. Then, 6x squared, negative x times positive 1 is negative x. Then, copy plus 9 is equal to negative 6x. And get negative 6x, transpose it to the left side. So, kapag transpose ang negative, naging positive 6x. So, naging positive na siya. And, combine similar terms, negative x plus 6x ay positive 5x. So, yung ating final equation na is 6x squared plus 5x plus 9 is equal to 0. So, therefore, the given equation na is ito, may 2 ang degree ay quadratic equation. So, let's identify the values of A, B, and C. So, our A is 6, B is positive 5, and C is positive 9. So, okay lang na hindi isulat yung sign na positive dito, at okay lang din na isulat. Our next example, we have 0 is equal to negative the square of x minus 7 plus 3 times y plus 2 minus 3y. So again, gagawin natin is i-arrange muna natin into standard form. So first is itong, so get the product. So negative, the product of x, the square of x minus 7 is x squared minus 14x plus 49. Then plus, get the product of 3 times y plus 2. The product is 3y plus 6. Then copy minus 3y. Now, simplify. Multiply negative dito sa trinomial. So, kapag minultiply, negative times positive x squared is negative x squared. Negative times negative 14x is positive 14x. Negative times positive 49 is equal to negative 49. Then copy the rest. And next, combine. Copy. Next is copy yung negative x squared plus 14x. And combine positive 3y and negative 3y. Ayan. Then next is yung ating negative 49 and positive 6. So, when we get the sum of positive 3y and negative 3y ay 0. And this one, negative 49 and positive 6 ay negative 49. So, the answer is 0 is equal to negative x squared plus 14x minus 43. Or, we can also write ng ganito or baliktarin. Yung 0 ay nasa right side. Negative x squared plus 14x minus 43 is equal to 0. So, yung ating degree is 2. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic. So, what is a? So, ang ating a is negative 1. So, bakit 1 pero walang number dito? If you cannot see any number in numerical coefficient of a quadratic term or a linear term, it's understood na 1. So, b natin is positive 4. So, ang c natin is negative 43. So, next, we have f. 2x squared plus 5 is equal to x squared. So, transpose x squared into the left side. So, 2x squared minus. So, from positive kanina siya, naging minus x squared plus 5 is equal to 0. So, combine similar terms. So, 2x squared minus x squared ay nagiging x squared or 1x squared, then plus 5 is equal to 0. So, yung ating degree is 2. Therefore, the given equation is quadratic. So, what is a natin is 1. Yung b. So, wala tayong nakikita dyan na linear term. Therefore, yung ating b is 0. And c is positive 5. So, another, x squared plus 9 is equal to 11x plus 9. So, transpose this binomial into the left side. So, x squared minus 11x plus 9. Itong plus 9 dito. Then, minus 9. Yung minus 9 comes dito. So, plus 9 is equal to, then equals 0. Combine. So, x squared minus 11x. So, positive 9 minus 9 is 0. So, hindi natin na kailangan isulat dito. So, yung ating degree is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic. And the value of a is 1. The value of b is negative 11. And the value of c, we cannot see any constant term here. Therefore, value of c is 0. And another, we have 6x squared plus 12x is equal to 6x squared plus 8 is equal minus 3x. So, this trinomial, transpose it to the left side. So, 6x squared, ito, minus 6x squared. So, saan galing to? Itong nandito. Plus 12x, yung nandito. Plus 3x. So, minus 3x or negative 3x. Transpose sa left side, naging positive 3x. Positive 8, transpose sa left side, naging negative 8. And equate with 0. So, combine similar terms. 6x squared minus 6x squared is 0. The next is positive 12x plus 13x is 15x, and copy minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 15x minus 8 is equal to 0. So, kung napapansin, wala siyang second degree. Therefore, the answer is not quadratic equation. Okay? So, thank you sa pakikinig. See you sa next video.